There is something on my camera lens. I don't know why I just cleaned it with a makeup brush. That seemed very like counterproductive, but anyway. Hi guys, my name is Megan and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited today because I have finally got my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Bloodlust collection and palette. So I have already done some swatches of these over on my Instagram, so if you'd like to check them out, I suggest going over there. And while you're there, why not give me a follow? My Twitter and my Instagram are the best places to follow me and to find out what I'm doing, so head over there and give me a follow. But if you're as excited as I am, I won't hold back any longer and let's get into reviewing this palette. I'm super excited today because I just got in the mail my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Bloodlust palette and collection and everything that I got. I'm so excited. I thought I'd quickly do a quick review. I also want to do a makeup tutorial, which is why I don't have makeup on at the moment. I just didn't want to put makeup on twice, but I wanted to film this first. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you what I got and yeah, let's get into it. I ordered mine from Black Swallow, which is one of the Australian retailers here in Australia. Obviously I didn't order directly from Jeffree just because it is more expensive with the conversion rate, and also his shipping is based on weight, so the more products you have, the higher the shipping is, which sucks. It never used to be like that, but it's kind of what we have to deal with now. So I ordered mine from Black Swallow. I ordered it early in the morning on the Saturday when it launched in Australia. It launches on Saturday. I got it like first thing. It was meant to launch at 4:30 Adelaide time, but it was actually out a little bit earlier, so I managed to snag it early. This was actually meant to be delivered to me yesterday, but the guy didn't knock on my door. He just kind of came. I was home, no one knocked, left a card being like, go pick up your package, and then I went to go pick it up and the courier was running late to drop off things, so I had to go back today and get it. So I've missed it for a whole 24 hours, but I finally have it now and I'm so excited to show you. So the first thing that I did get was the Bloodlust palette, and okay, here's my thing with this. Purple is my favorite color, as you can probably tell. So I've always said if Jeffree ever does a purple collection, like, I'm getting it like right away. Like, I don't care what it looks like. If it's purple, I'm getting it. I need it in my life. When you like the color purple, it's not just liking a color, it's a lifestyle. So I needed this. This year, 2020, was also something that I set for myself was a no spend year. So I wasn't allowed to buy any makeup unless I needed to replace something, and if I needed to replace it, I wasn't going to buy the like higher end version of it, if that makes sense. So like, for example, I have my like a Tarte foundation. Once this runs out, I can go buy some more foundation, but I'd get like a cheaper brand. I wouldn't pay for the Tarte one because it is more expensive. So that was like my mindset for this year. I'd done really well, but I said, and my friend recorded me saying this so she can hold me accountable to not buy makeup. The only exception to that rule was if Jeffree Star releases something, more specifically if it was a purple palette as part of the like blood, you know, family, which he did, so I was allowed to buy it. So that's what we got. So yeah, this cost me a whopping $90 Australian. RIP my bank, but that's what it costs, and honestly it's so worth it. Like, it's so lovely. So this is the card packaging that it comes in, and then this is the back with just the ingredients and everything on there. But it is so nice and lovely. Like, you can see it shine, and oh, and then when you open it up, it has the JSC logo and then the lovely palette. Now, I'm someone, like, as a cosplayer, I always kind of make fun of velvet. And that's not like a people who wear velvet, like, or anything like that, but it's just like the fabric in general. I just always think it's like a funny fabric sort of thing, and I always like, oh, it's velvet, like it's crushed velvet, like it's just a funny thing to me. But this palette is a whole velvet palette and I love it. I can't make fun of it because it's done so well. So this is the front of the palette. Shout out to the sirens. This is the back of the palette. It is a hexagon shape. I think, is this a hexagon? Hey Siri, how many sides does a hexagon have?
There are 6 edges in a hexagon.
Okay, so it's a hexagon shape. I am right. We know I'm not the smartest here, but she knows her shapes. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, it is velvet. It is so, so lovely. Like, it was a $90 palette, and honestly, I feel like it was worth the $90 that I paid for it. Just, it is lovely. Now, I still do have the glass protector, like, sheet on top of it, so if it looks a bit scratchy and marked up, that is why. But you do have a really good, decent sized mirror. Like, you can see yourself so well in this mirror, so shout out to Jeffree for putting in like a good sized mirror for this. And I also still do have the plastic like a shield guard protector down on the palette as well. But this is what it looks like. I have done some swatches for my Instagram already, and I will put them up on the screen probably, or you can head over to my Instagram to check it out. So yeah, it is absolutely stunning. I was second guessing it at first because being a Pebbles palette, I was expecting, a lot of people as well were also expecting a lot more like dark kind of gothic-y sort of style palette, and I was like, it is quite pastel. But honestly, having it now, swatching it all, looking at it all together, seeing it kind of like row by row for what it is, like, I love it. It is incredible. I honestly, like, I don't think I can really fault it or even think about what I would rather have in it than what is already there. Like, it is perfect to me. The pop of green, I love. The red, I was honestly so surprised about the red, and I swatched it. It is an incredible looking red. Yeah, I absolutely love this palette so much. It was so worth it. The other thing that I got was the lip bundle. So this is the Queen Bitch bundle, and I was like, oh, it's a purple lip bundle and it's called Queen Bitch. If there's something that's not more designed for me, I don't know what is. So I got the bundle. It's just like every other kind of like lipstick case that he has as far as the bundles go. There's nothing really special to this one except for the fact that it is obviously purple, but it's all the same with the kind of magnetic clasp bit at the front, and then you open it up and you have all of the colors inside. Now, 2 of these are new colors. The rest are colors that he already had in his like collection. So we've got the colors Royal Armor and I'm Vulgar, which are the 2 new ones. And then you've got I'm Royalty, Scorpio, Virginity, Blow Pony, Clout, and Berries on Ice, which again are all ones that he previously had. These are all so nice. I only actually had 2 of these colors previously, so all of these except for the 2 that I already had are new to me, so I haven't like seen them or like swatched them before getting this. So I have I'm Royalty before I got it in my Equality bundle, and then I also had a large size of Scorpio. So these 2 I'm already familiar with, but the rest of them I wasn't. And they are stunning. These 2 new shades for this collection are incredible, and also Clout and Berries on Ice. I wish, like, I want a full size of these. These are stunning. I don't know why I never kind of drawn to them or got them when he first released those 2, but looking at them now, like, they are incredible colors. Another thing that I love about Jeffree's lipsticks is that they are eye safe, so I can even like incorporate some of these into like winged liners, or like to do like a cool cut crease or like something like that. So I'm super excited to play around with all of these. And then last but not least, I got one of his purple mirrors. It's not currently in the box, I have it next to me, but this is the kind of box that it came in. You could also get a mirror like this, which was the star, Jeffree Star logo with the crown, but I wanted to get just a plain purple mirror. So I got this soft lavender one. Not gonna lie, I thought his mirrors were a little bit bigger. I don't know why, just looking at them like online and I don't know, him holding them out, I just thought they were a little bit bigger. Not that it's a bad size, it is a really good size, you can see yourself perfectly well. I just always thought they were a little bit bigger. This is a soft touch matte lavender, so like it feels really like silky, and it does feel soft to touch, and it is this stunning lavender color. And as you can see, it does have the Jeffree Star logo on there, and then also has Jeffree Star Cosmetics down the bottom there. But it is really nice. It is a really good size. Something that I really hope Jeffree does and would do is kind of make a stand that you can click these mirrors into, because I don't always like holding a mirror, but it's really nice, really lightweight, but also seems like such good, nice quality. And I'm excited to use it, and I can go like, hi, welcome back to my channel. So that is everything that I got in my collection. This was just a short little video kind of showing off what I got. I am going to be doing a tutorial which will be up after this video, and I might also do like a swatch video with the lipsticks, I think, which will also probably be up after this video at some point too. So if you want to see those videos, I suggest probably again following me on Instagram or Twitter, because I will post them when it's out, but also subscribing here so you don't miss out on them. But that is all for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you got anything from this collection, please let me know what you've got and what you think of it down below. If you got the palette, let me know your favorite shade. I absolutely love Take the Crown. It's a beautiful purple shade and I can't wait to use it. And I was honestly very, very surprised by the red, which is Bleeding Heart. Like, that red just came through and I don't know, it just hit differently. So those are the two shades that I am really, really loving. So if you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Feel free to leave any comments, requests, questions down in the comment section below. If you'd like to follow me or contact me on any social media, links to do so are always down in the description. I also have a Patreon now, which has a whole bunch of exclusive things in regards to my cosplay. You get exclusive cosplay only shoots, you get my YouTube videos early, you get updates and behind the scenes of a whole bunch of different things. So if that is something that you're interested in, then please click the link below and check it out. But I hope you guys are having an amazing day and I'll see you next time. Bye.